My name is Brianne Broussard and I'm a Mayvenn stylist. I'm going to show you how to remove your clip-in extensions. So step one, we're going to go ahead and part exactly where our first clip-in was in. And once you found that clip-in, you want to go ahead and remove all the other hair out your way. Next, you're going to take one by one. You're going to remove each clip one by one. Do not pull, do not tug, because that can bring breakage, and we don't want that. As you're removing, you're going to clip it open and lift it up and remove. Clip it, lift it up, and remove. Always good. Clip it back and then place it. Clip it open, lift it up, and remove. And repeat. And it's always good to detangle in between taking out your clip-in extensions. Once you remove your last clip-in, you want to go ahead and take your comb one more time again and make sure that you detangle all of your natural hair. And voila, you're free from your clip-in extensions.